Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This video is going to show you how to put the Hogue universal grip. This is not specifically designed for any specific pistol, but it looks like it's going to work pretty good to me. Anyway, this is how Froggy got it on here, and it's tight, let me tell you. On a Ruger P95dc, which is what this is, it's tight. So it's got directions, it gives you some directions. I even bought a hand-all stick kit. I think this is in case it's a little on the loose side, maybe, because I sure as heck don't need it on this. I don't need it to stick anymore. But anyway, make long story short, this is pure real rubber. It's not any kind of that synthetic stuff that you deal with sometimes. And what you want to do is take a coffee cup, stick this grip in the coffee cup with water, put it in your microwave until it boils, basically. You want to get this really hot. That's number one. Number two is you want to get some rubbing alcohol, and before you try to slide it on, you want to slather a bunch of rubbing alcohol on the grip. Not on this grip, but on this material, which I never really liked. I never really liked this. I never felt like I could hang on to the pistol very well, but I think I'm going to like it a lot better with this on there. Anyway, slather a whole bunch of alcohol on there. It evaporates fast, so don't be afraid to just slather it on there. Then you want to take the grip and make sure it's got an arrow inside, right side up, so make sure you put it the right way. Start with this corner here, get it around that corner there, and just slide and twist, slide and twist, slide and twist. And now you can see I've got it all the way up there. This is the magazine release right here. It still works fine. If I had my wish, I wish it was a little bit longer here so that my little finger would have a grippy piece of rubber to rub on. But hey, I don't even think this costs like $10, so it's going to be pretty good. It's got a nice kind of stippled, I call it stippled, I don't know what they call it. But here, I show you, and always make sure your gun's unloaded. There's nothing in the chamber. That's how it's going to be now. And my little finger is kind of, it's going to be there. I do have some other tape. It's called super tape. It's a silicone tape. I could run a little bit of that around there, but if I put that on, I don't think I could slip the Hogue over it. So I would have to try taping that up right now afterwards. But I'm going to try it without that. Anyway, that's how you get it on. That's how Froggy got it on anyway. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And mostly I'm automotive, do-it-yourself, but I do also have shooting videos and a little bit of everything else that I think you guys and gals might be interested in. Anyway, be safe, enjoy, have fun shooting, stand up for your Second Amendment rights, and have a great weekend. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye-bye.